Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Lenovo Legion XL mousepad. I'm TJ, let's dive right in. Now this mousepad is labeled as XL, measuring 900 by 300 millimeters. But honestly, I'd call it an XXL mousepad. It's big enough to handle your entire setup, so let's get it out of the box and check it out. For my setup, I wanted something clean, minimal, and long enough to fit both my keyboard and mouse, with extra room to spare. It does have some branding on the bottom right corner, but I actually like how it looks. Plus, I'm already a fan of Lenovo's Legion lineup. I even reviewed their Legion backpack, so I had high expectations for quality. Speaking of quality, after using this mousepad for over a year, it's still holding up great. A quick vacuum is all it takes to make it look as good as new. Comfort-wise, it's right up there with Redragon and Corsair mousepads I've reviewed. Whether you're gaming or getting work done, this mousepad has been smooth and reliable. So, if you're in the market for a sleek black mousepad, don't mind a bit of branding, and these dimensions fit your desk setup, I'd say this is a solid pick. Thanks for tuning in. I'm TJ, and this is Tech Chef. Catch you on the next one.